Hello, yours. You're welcome. Let's solve this interesting problem here. This is coming from geometry. We have this diagram, and the question asks us to find y if x plus z equals y. Right? So it's not hard at all. So now, first of all, what we should know is that we've already said the question I've already said y is x plus z. Let's call this equation star. So now if y equals x plus z, now let's go back to from the diagram. From the diagram, we know that x plus y plus z must be given 180 degrees, right? Because these are angles and they are found at a straight line, so it means that they are going to meet at 180 degrees. So now we've already said y is x plus y, so y is x plus y. Now bring this x plus z together, x plus z, right, then plus y equals 180 degrees. Now x plus z here is what? Is y according to this equation star. So we're going to have this x plus z to be y plus y then equals 180 degrees. So now 2 plus, we have 2y, because 2y plus y, we have 2y equals 180 degrees. So you divide both sides by 2, right? This we cancel this, we have y equals 180 divided by 2, we have 90 degrees. So the value of y is 90 degrees. So therefore y is 90, x plus y will also be 90 degrees. Can you see? And that satisfies. If y is 90 degrees and the question said x plus y is 90 degrees, so if this place is 90 degrees, so if we add this and this together, they must give us 90 degrees, right? And that is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share this to your colleagues so they can learn from this. Bye bye.